friends of our small planet, be prepared. Today, March 21, 2011, listen to this bad news. For several decades, colony collapse disorder, CCD, a mysterious condition where entire bee colonies die for seemingly no obvious reason, has been inflicting bee populations across both Europe and the US. But scientists from the United Nations say the phenomenon is now a global crisis, afflicting bees across China, Japan, and Africa, as well as in other places. The report, issued by the United Nations Environment Programme, explains what many NaturalNews readers already know, mainly that without bees, there will be no more food. Bees are one of nature's primary pollinators, and over 70% of the world's food supply relies on them to grow. Human beings have fabricated the illusion that in the 21st century, they have the technological prowess to be independent of nature, said Achim Steiner, United Nations Under-Secretary General and UNEP Executive Director. Bees underline the reality that we are more, not less, dependent on nature's services in a world of close to 7 billion people. One such mode of technological prowess is the flagrant and irresponsible use of genetically modified organisms (GMO). GMO technology is heavily reliant on the use of toxic pesticides and herbicides, which several recent studies have pinned the widespread bee deaths. In January 2011, a leaked document revealed that the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) actually knowingly approved a bee-killing pesticides known as clothianidin. This Bayer CropScience chemical has been identified as a primary instigator of CCD, and yet it has remained freely available on the market since 1993 when the EPA first approved it. It seems that Bayer and Monsanto should have some plan to feed future population remaining with synthetic diets, provided only by their laboratories, for a total dependence on the next generations of this doomed planet. It's a logical explanation for them are doing it consciously, and deliberately, to this precarious habitat on our little planet Earth. Eliminating birds, fish, insects, and consequently 70% of agricultural crops through the total extinction of bees, an irreparable loss to this small world, that can become gray instead of blue, in a very short time. Our condolences to all of us, powerless ordinary people. Can we do something to prevent this?